took the far road just to get away. Thought I could drown your voice beneath the waves. I climbed aboard that ship to fade into the night, but the storm came roaring. Yeah, you caught me in your sight. Every lie I told myself was dragging me down. Every step I took was just another way to drown. Tried to run from truth, but the truth found me. Now I'm sinking in the dark of a restless sea. Clean again. 3 nights in the darkness, nowhere left to run. Praying for forgiveness for everything I've done. You pulled me from the deep, spit me out on the sand. Told me go to Nineveh, yeah, rise and take a stand. I walked into a city full of violence and rage, but your mercy hit the wicked like a tidal wave. And I watched your grace fall